Discover the epitome of lakeside luxury at Olas Altas. This exclusive condominium community offers an unparalleled living experience, combining tranquility with sophisticated elegance. At Olas Altas, enjoy leisurely afternoons soaking up the sun, feeling the gentle lake breeze, and embracing the serenity of your surroundings. The convenience of Olas Altas' location is unparalleled. Local restaurants, charming boutique, and a variety of recreational facilities are all within easy reach. Step inside this exquisite second-level condo. An open-concept kitchen, dining, and living area create a seamless flow. Notice the magnificent views, beautifully framed by floor-to-ceiling windows, showcasing a majestic 150-year-old Indian laurel tree. Contact us today to schedule your private viewing and experience the unparalleled luxury of Olas Altas. Your gateway to relaxed lakeside living awaits.